belts loose. As you can see, it doesn't look like they come all the way out, which is good. So now I'm going to loosen the belt tensioner, which it looks like I can do that from the alternator. And I'm going to try to loosen the belt so when I slide this off, the belt's not super tight. Where the current tension is, I just used a screwdriver and scraped the paint off, as you can see. So I have a reference point when I tighten the belt back up. Got the belt loose. Had to break this lock nut loose and then unloosen that. And then I let the alternator slide up and down the trail. And now the belt's completely loose. So I got the fan off, didn't lose any bolts. Right now I have it setting up against the radiator. It's not bending the fins. But I don't even think I'm going to need to take the fan out to get the water pump off. And the belt's loose. So I can slip that off, and that'll be good for today. This will be part 1 of the video, changing the water pump on the Kobelco SK140. She needs to get back to work on the pit. Alright, back with the SK140. I got the water pump in, and this is it. It's got the same casting marks as the original pump in the machine. As you can see, the O-ring, it's an O-ring style gasket. And I actually ordered this one directly from Kobelco, this O-ring here, and it fits perfectly. This machine has, as you can see, the drain valve, so I don't have to pull a lower radiator hose. I could just drain it from the valve, so that's perfect. I'm going to reuse the coolant, and saves me a lot of time and some money. So the bolts for the pulley assembly and the fan actually thread into the new pump, so that's obviously a good indication that everything's going to button up just like it's supposed to. That one. That one. Doing a crisscross pattern as well. That one. The last one down here. Oh. There's that. 18 foot pounds.